In Colbert, Washington, when electrical issues arise, you need a trusted team of electricians you can rely on. Our expert electricians are available 24/7 to provide top-quality electrical repair and installation services to homeowners and businesses alike. Electrical problems can be both frustrating and potentially dangerous, which is why our team is dedicated to offering prompt and professional service to the Colbert community. Whether it's a sudden power outage, a malfunctioning circuit breaker, or the need for new lighting installations, our skilled electricians have the knowledge and expertise to tackle any task. At Colbert Electricians, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We understand the importance of a safe and functional electrical system, and we're committed to delivering exceptional results with every project we undertake. From troubleshooting and repairs to installations and upgrades, you can trust our team to get the job done right. When you need reliable electrical repair and installation services in Colbert, Washington, don't hesitate to call below number. Let our team of skilled electricians take care of all your electrical needs, so you can have peace of mind knowing your property is in good hands.